hidden on the remote Osa Peninsula in southwest Costa Rica, where ocean meets tropical jungle, where North America meets South America, is Corcovado National Park, often called the most biologically intense place on Earth. Here, a single park shelters an astonishing share of all life on the planet, home to roughly 2.5% of Earth's species in less than 1,000th of its land area. Hawks feed in the jungle, and ocean birds soar off the Pacific coast. More than 370 bird species call Corcovado home, from beautiful trogons to patient herons. Life in Corcovado thrives on every level, from the towering canopy to the ocean shore. Marching in perfect formation, leafcutter ants harvest fragments of green to feed underground fungus farms. They are farmers, engineers, and recyclers. Among the branches, the park's 4 monkey species, howler, spider, capuchin, and squirrel, rustle the branches. Spider monkeys swing effortlessly. They are among the most acrobatic primates, using their prehensile tail like a 5th arm. Capuchins display intelligence and curiosity, using tools and teamwork to uncover food. Their social worlds mirror our own, filled with play, conflict, cooperation, and care. A northern tamandua, a type of anteater, comes down from the branches to feed on ants. Another species well adapted to the park's bounty of resources. From lizards to macaws, from poison dart frogs to monkeys. Corcovado protects over 140 species of mammals, 120 of reptiles and amphibians, and tens of thousands of insects and plants. Corcovado is a crown jewel of biodiversity, a treasure unlike any other.